Hello guys, today I'm going to show you ants taking our food that we gave them. It's a cake piece.
Because it's COVID time.
It's COVID time. They also can get COVID. You should tell
They
me.
can also secure food.
Let's give them a cell phone. I just need to adjust the back.
It's too low. It's just to hold.
Oh, sorry about that. Mommy, can you get a small chair?
You can sit here.
Thank you. See those little ants?
Yeah. See those little ants? More.
This is a daily video. Tomorrow there's still a cake there. Or maybe not, because it's a one whole day. This will take one whole day, Mommy.
No, just a minute.
5 minutes, okay. Start. So please like and subscribe. And I found out I can't make food out of paper, but in the future I will. So let's just keep be doing ants.
Bit of that.
Let's get so close. See those?
See those ants.
You know what? You know
Caring for their food.
You know the ants that I hate the most? It's ancient marauder ants, because they kill innocent animals. Okay? So don't let any ancient marauder ants get you or bite you. Okay, let's go back to the ant watch. It's too hard and it could kill. The first ancient marauder ant. I'll be doing it. See those black ants? Those are the ants. Want to take a closer look? More closer looks? Take a real close look.
More a closer look to ants hole.
That's the ant hole?
Yeah.
Okay? My kuya will hold the camera for now.
Look at that.
Look at that beauty. So beautiful. And also we're gonna video the next video where we video another ant hole.
We will look for another ant hole.
Okay.
Nakalipat na dyan? Parang kanina yung nandoon. Napitpit na nila?
Ang dami nga, ang laki nga yan kanina eh.
Asian marauder siguro.
Ang dami nilang pagkain yan. Mga isang ano na nila yan. Isang summer.
Kanina pa yan. Kaya ako na ano yan eh kasi naupo ako dito. Nakakita ko, parang naghahakot sila doon.
Saan kaya nila dadalhin?
Diyan sa ilalim lang. Yan ang bahay nila.
Iipon.
Nag-iipon sila, di ba? Pag magtatag-ulan, alam na nila.
So guys, while we're watching the ants go, tell me, what should I do next on next Mother's Day? Because Father's Day is coming
Mas
up too.
masipag sila. Kaysa tao.
So, next Father's Day, what should I do? Okay?
May isang maliit na. May dala-dala na. Nakakuha na.
Dati kanila
Hali-hali
dalawa
na sila.
sila.
Yan.
Oh, yan. Dumami na sila ngayon ng dumami.
Kukuha sila ng isa-isa.
Let's get a closer look. Hey.
Pati yung ano.
Oh, look, I can see them. Let's get them. Oh, that's too close.
Likot naman ang...
Sorry, but I'm holding the camera. I'm not very good at
Aba,
camera.
dami na ngayon.
Oo nga. Dami na nga kasi
Ano
sila.
Oh, I can see them pick how they pick the cake
Wala
up.
ka ng dala na.
Isa-isa na. Mamaya wala na eh. Ubus na.
Oh, look, they're using their back part.
Tuwan-tuwa.
They're using their back part to take the cake.
Sobrang happy sila. Pero mo, parang isang mountain yung kinukuhaan nila ng pagkain. Isang malaki.
Ants?
Ants are equipped with a full array of senses, and their antenna can detect sudden drops in temperature, making them possible
ants. You know who gave those cake? We did. We want you to be safe. So guys, this is my tatay, my mommy,
Hi, I told you.
my mommy, my mommy, my mommy, my mommy, my mommy.
Ang kulit. Hindi ko na i-upload yan. I will not
My
upload
mommy's
it.
chubby tummy. My mama Ninang.
Hindi na namin na-upload.
My queen.
Kasi may tao, dapat ants lang.
Okay. Let's go back to videoing the ants.
I-edit mo yung mga
Wait
tao.
for someone.
Dapat lagyan mo ng ants ang ulo.
Warning! If you are scared of ants, ang dami na!
Human ants.
If you are scared of ants,
Anim na pala sila ngayon eh. Kanina isa lang mag-isa. Nakadalawa.
here's my Kuya Jared.
May anim na.
Ilang minutes na yan? More than 5 minutes na.
Okay.